Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Scarlett Maze. Thank you. So it's Christmas time and I showed you guys a foundation video, I showed you some new palettes, and why not show you a quick and simple Christmas look. I am not going to be going overboard. I won't be doing any candy cane designs or anything like that. Just a simple red and gold look to do for the family. So my foundation is already done, my eyebrows are done, my lower lids kind of already have a little color on them because I was trying to see what I wanted to go with. So let's just dive in, y'all. First color, I am going to go in with Kahina, and that is this. So my eyes have already been set. I'm just going to take this color and apply it to the crease. And then apply a little bit more. And always start out with a small amount and then go further because you can correct after. You can't really do too much correcting if you go in big and then try and buff out. So I am using, this is actually a Milan brush. This isn't a brush from the palette that I am using. I'm just gonna go back with my matte brush that I also love. I'm just gonna blend this color outwards. Trying to blend that out so there's no harsh lines. Alright, and then we're just going to do that with the other eye as well. And then I'm going to take my brush and I'm going to just blend it. Alright, so I think I need a little bit more red on this eye. Just gonna put that in a crease and then blend that out. Alright, so the first color is in and basically blended. Now we can move on. So I'm going to move on to the Zulu palette. Apply a little bit of brown. Applying this to the crease of my eye so that I can blend out. My back's starting to hurt me y'all, so I'm just going to use my little BH Cosmetics palette so I can see and so I don't have to stretch too far. Alright. So we're just gonna blend this outward just like the first color. Inward and outward. Go back in with the brown. Blend that out. So I feel like this eye needs a little bit more brown. like this. Alright, now in with, this is their Summer Lovin' palette. I'm just applying that because I want the red to pop a little bit more. Don't want to be too heavy-handed with it, but I do want a little more red. Red is not doing it for me. Alright, so same thing with the other side. I'm just gonna go in. And then for the fun part is my gold. I told you guys this was gonna be a simple, quick look, not too much, not doing the utmost with my life. Just realized all these brushes, and I don't have anything that can pat a glitter on. And this is just for the people that can't really crop their crease but still want a popping gold look. And let's face it, cutting your crease takes work. And a lot of us will be cooking or doing stuff like that, so I might not have the time. So I've just applied that gold shimmer in my corners. I'm stopping about halfway there. And then at the other end, I am going to go in with a darker color. I think I might use Jawara again. I'm just gonna cut in like that. And Jawara was that red color that I used originally. There you go. So I'm almost done. As I said, this is a simple, quick, easy, nothing too big. For my under eyes, I'm going to go in with my side, which is on my lower lash. Like so. Next up is eyeliner. Also, I have applied my false lashes. Add some blush to my cheeks, bring some color back to them. I'm going in with Toby, which I think has a little bit of that pink still on it. So I'm just gonna blush that out. A little more to that side. I'm gonna add some highlight. Not applying too much highlight because this is a quick, simple, and easy routine. It's not supposed to do the most. Using the BH Cosmetics lip liner. I'm not adding any lip liner because this stays really well, a little too well. And I don't want my lids to dry anymore, and they possibly will. So I'll be right back with the final look. So here's a final look. Quick Christmas look. More focus on the red part of Christmas and the golds. A little bit of green at the bottom to kind of highlight that. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy. Thank you so much for sticking around for all my YouTube channels and my videos. It's really appreciated. I am trying to release more content and quickly, as you guys can see. I'm proud of me. I don't know if y'all are. So anyway, I hope you guys have a fantastic Christmas. Show me y'all pictures, send them to me on Instagram so I can see looks that you guys created. I can't wait to see and get some inspiration. Have a good day, y'all, or night, wherever it is that you guys are watching. Bye. So this is the finished look. Got my red, got my gold, got my green, and I'm Christmas ready. Bye.